Three things that can impact Pakistani culture. 1. Geography. It impacts each citizen because of neighbors, survival, and what natural resources are available. Living in a valley with water and farming land would be different than those living with poor land and bad weather. 2. Language impacts each citizen because of the culture shaming if English and Urdu aren't native, and not having the opportunity to advance in education or get higher paying jobs. If citizens don't have a voice in their choices, frustrations and tensions will grow. And number 3, attitudes. Attitude impacts each citizen because of the fierce loyalty to family and tribes and religion and region. They polarize people into different factions with different agendas from each other. I think the same things impact American culture. Geography impacts fashion. Fashion shows in New York and LA are different because of the weather. Language barriers are life-threatening to those who cannot hear a policeman or read a danger sign. Trying to get on the correct flight or read directions can be monumental without someone to interpret. And attitudes of elitism or gang members or politicians, supremacy groups, even those with road rage attitudes can greatly affect the life of American citizens. Thank you.